Congratulations, Coach LA. How was that delay from your point of view, and how did you use it to adjust defensively to create separation in the fourth?
No, first of all, I just want to personally dedicate this win to my guy na Ginebra who passed away. Christian Galilan is isa sa mga nag-alaga sa akin yun na was in Ginebra. Hindi my family, my parents. So I want personally dedicate this win. Hiningi ko sa kanya ito kagabi. Sabi ko, hindi lang sana sa Ginebra, sana kami. But to answer your question, tama yung sinabi ni Ian. I just reminded them that whoever comes out dito sa fourth quarter na to with this long break, aggressive, and to get momentum on stops, getting the stops, malaki yung chance na makuha itong game na to. So, I was worried honestly kasi we had a good run end of the third quarter and then all of a sudden stop. So akala ko talaga really yung momentum matigil and then malaking bagay for them kasi nakapahinga. But it turns out, my players responded not only this fourth quarter but the whole game. I challenged them again, just like last game. I challenged them again. This game, I have to give them pressure again. It's a must win for us. It's a must win for us. Ayaw sana namin sayangin yung panalo namin last game sa Ginebra. And we know that Meralco will really come out stronger and desperate to get this win. Again, just I told them, I know them really well. Meralco is very relentless. They will not just give it to you because they have depleted lineup or maraming galing injury sa kanila. No, they're vets. They're very well coached. Siyempre, mga vets na nandun, yung leaders nila na nandun. So I know. So I reminded them, and again, I just have to give credit to my players that they responded again in this game.
Thank you, Coach LA. That is it for me. We're opening the floor to the meeting.
Ian, congratulations. Ian, parang sa lahat ng panalo ng Magnolia, talagang maganda yung nilalaro mo. May parang resurgence sa laro mo. Kaya ganun yung pinapakita mo, especially tonight.
For me, wala naman talagang special sa nilalaro ko. Nag-start lang talaga ako maglaro ng defense. Kinukuha ko parang yung momentum ko doon na every time na passion ko, siyempre, kailangan ko ibigay talaga lahat doon sa defense para stay ako sa room ng mga time. Lahat ng kaya kong gawin, lahat ng kaya kong may tulong sa team. So, ibibigay ko para makastop ako. Ngayon yung offense, wala. Ano na sa akin yun, parang darating na lang yun. So, hindi ko na inisip yun para sa akin, start talaga yung defense.
Ian, first back-to-back wins nyo this conference. Malaking resulta to sa inyo kasi kung nabigo man kayo ngayong gabi, makabumagsak kayo. Pero ngayon, nasa tied kayo with Blackwater for third with 3 record.
Yes, malaking bagay sa amin to, wala pa to, parang hindi pa tapos, madami pa kaming lalawin. Ngayon nasa magandang spot kami, pero hindi pa yung parang kailangan pa namin manalo sa mga susunod naming laban para masumungat pa kami. Nakakuha kami ng dalawa, subukan namin makakuha ng tatlo.
Coach, bukod kay Ian, maganda yung nilaro ni Jerome Lastimosa. May times na si Jerome talaga may moments siya na good and bad, but tonight talagang pakita siya. How happy are you with the way he delivered for you?
Well, I'm definitely happy with Jerome how he played today. I think more than his offense niya. Saka si Jerome, buti nag-respond. Alam ng mga player, siya madalas kong pagalitan. Siya madalas kong pagalitan because I know yung kaya niyang gawin sa team. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, it's his responsibility now. Para matuto siya. May mangyari sa team sa loob ng court or wala, siya ang papagalitan ko. So nag-respond naman yung bata. But again, what I like about Jerome is he's a listener. He's a good student to the game. Na ginagawa niya talaga yung mga sinasabi namin coach sa lalo-lalo na ako. So sa tinututukan ko rin, isa sa mga tinututukan ko si John because I know that he can be special, especially in this team.
Coach, good evening nga. May concern ka ba na baka hindi na matuloy yung laro and baka maging parang Alex Iyala yung niraan ko makabalik yung talunin ko?
Oo nga eh. Actually, naisip ko rin, nagtanong na ako kung ano mangyayari, kailan ang laro, ano mangyayari. Yung pala, itutuloy talaga. Same time, same score, gano'n lang, pero 12 minutes lang. So parang ang hirap, medyo, again, honestly, nag-worry ako. But again, that's beyond our control, di ba? Malay mo naman, maging Alex Iyala din, di ba? Kahit nagpahinga, nanalo pa rin, di ba? So, again, just have to give credit dun sa mga players. They really responded, especially sa mga practices namin. Medyo nagiging strict ako sa kanila with regards with our fundamentals and defense and especially on our offense. So, nag-respond naman sila. So, hopefully, again, katulad sabi ni Ian, as of now, kami may hawak ng destiny namin. No? Kaya kailangan every practice, every win, every game is very important for us right now. It's a playoff game for us.
Iyan din yung mga players, paano nyo dinilyo yung delay?
Ano?
Paano nyo dinilyo yung delay kanina?
Yun nga, sobrang tagal talaga eh, no? Nung medyo parang natuyo kami, pero yun nga, pinag-usapan nga namin nung malapit na maging okay yung board. Talagang kailangan namin magkaroon ng strike. Sakit namin yun eh. Lalo na pagkain kami ng third quarter, ng second half. So kailangan talaga buhayin namin yung sarili namin going to the fourth quarter na pagkain kami ng malamig kami. So finish talaga namin yung sarili namin kasi gusto talaga namin manalo ngayon kami. So pinakita talaga namin, mas gusto namin manalo.
Coach, last na lang, your last game before the break is Phoenix. So, big game para magkaroon ng momentum habang papay na kayo matagal.
Well, honestly, syempre we want to win. Definitely we will prepare against Phoenix, but di ba kami nanalo sa Phoenix? No, so I think that's enough motivation for us going into this game. No? So, but it's gonna be again, it's not gonna be easy. Phoenix is now in good hands with Coach Charles, and players are really responding well. They have good import. So let's see. I haven't thought about it, but we'll prepare these practices, and I know we'll be ready. We'll be ready.
That wraps up the post-game press conference. Let's go home, gentlemen.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Yes.